Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my journal, which is staying the same, so sophisticated florals for the week of July 4th through the 10th. I am going to be using the Hello Summer sticker book from Live Love Posh. I'm obsessed with her design, so that should be no surprise there. I am going to be keeping it simple as I do want to journal a lot this week about my emotions and my feelings. So I'm going to go ahead and go through that and quickly just create a quick design. So if you guys don't have a lot of time, this is probably a video for you. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to do that. Okay, so this tropical vibe, I've been really feeling tropical lately, so I'm just going with that. I'm gonna place this beautiful florals with that amazing bird, right? It's so cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and play with these hexagons a little bit as well in my spread. And I'm gonna add these florals in the sidebar. And then that will still give me plenty of journaling space, like I said, and I am keeping it quite simple. So hope you're gonna enjoy that one. So I'm gonna start with these hexagons. I'm gonna place them on a side. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty easy. I just want to make sure that it's in a good position so I can do the other two as well. Okay, so let's take a look. So I'm just adding these with the same amount of distance. I think that looks kind of cool. Very, very simplistic, and that's what I was going for. And I'm peeling this up. And the way I'm gonna do this really quickly is I'm gonna go ahead and add just the flower right there, bend it where I need to cut it, take an X-Acto knife and just cut that piece out really, really quickly, like this. And okay, a little bit more. I'm so careful not to cut my page. I have done that before, so knowing your pressure is quite important. Okay, and I'm gonna start with these hexagons right here. So first one on Monday, and then I'm gonna kind of layer them on top of each other. Take a look. I think that will look pretty good. I'm gonna add the same kind of technique of flowers. So I'm gonna cut it out in between those two, like this, and I think that looks pretty great. I do like this effect of flowers in my planner. Okay, one more of these hexagons. Okay, almost done. Like I said, this will be quick, so I just have to, I'm gonna add some flowers to the corner to make sure that corner doesn't look so empty. And then I'm gonna add, I don't know where I should add this. Okay, maybe right here, and then I'm gonna do the same thing and just cut that piece really quickly so it matches and aligns with my hexagons. There we go. I'm gonna cut it one more time very gently. I think I'm too gentle, but at the same time when I press too hard, it goes through the page. That's not what I want. Okay, perfect. And then the only thing left is I'm gonna add a tiny bit to the bottom. So I'm gonna cut this piece in half. Thinking if I should add more, but I don't think so. I really like the way this looks. I'm so conflicted about this because my spreads are usually so full, but at the same time this is a journal, so I do like to have my space to write in. I made another spread with Live Love Posh last week, and it was a pool day, and I placed so many boxes, and like writing something concrete in those, I had to really think about how I wanted to structure my writing in my day to make sure that it looks good. So I don't want to constrict myself again and kind of go from there. Okay, but I think my spread is done. I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm not doing anything more. This is more than sufficient for my journaling. Sometimes less is more, and this time it truly is. But thank you so much for joining. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.